Hello everyone, my name is Waleed and today we're going to be opening a car. Now this time it's a Matchbox car and we're opening the Dodge Durango. This is from 2022. So before I open it, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's open it. So we're about to open it. And here we go. Let's take it out of the packaging. Here we go. And it's out. So first up, it has details on the back, which is cool, and details on the front. Also, now, first up, this thing has a trailer hook. There's a major trailer that I got a long time ago, and apparently major it works out so you can have a trailer behind it. Yeah, it goes fine. Look. Oh wait. Now there we go. So you can just roam around the vehicle with it. Okay, not the best, but you know. So first up, second up, it doesn't have an interior for some reason, because you can see the windows are so tinted, like it doesn't have an interior. The rims are so cool on that thing. It has a trailer hook. It has a license plate. What does it say? Wait. It says just a random number like 30782. I don't know what it's meant to mean. Okay. It also has mirrors for once, so that's got to be pretty cool. And it has the Dodge logo on the front, the little things. I don't think you can see it well. That's my what's up. Whoops. I don't know if that's meant to be diffuser, but that's pretty cool. I think that's meant to be a part of it. I like the lights, and it has a pretty cool black grill and the Dodge logo. Rims are clean on that thing. Yeah, this is super cool, to be honest. One of my favorite Matchbox cars, probably. Coming after the 720S Spider. So yeah, guys, right now it's montage time.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
So yeah, that's all I have for today. And yeah, this is my review on the Durango. It's a 10 out of 10 car from Matchbox, and what an awesome looking car. So before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, we'll see you next time, everyone. Bye bye.